In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable developer tools on Discord. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. The first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and head over to Discord and sign in to your Discord account. Now in here, go ahead and click on your profile by clicking on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now go ahead and click on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. And this will take you to Discord settings. Now in here, go ahead and scroll down and look for advanced. You'll find advanced under app settings. So just go ahead and click on advanced and this will redirect you to the advanced settings. Now in here, go ahead and enable developer mode and this will allow you to enable developer tools on Discord. This will allow you to incorporate developer tools on your Discord account, since the developer mode is a way for you to be able to have access to developer tools on the platform. Once you reload Discord on your device and access your advanced settings all over again by heading back to the settings page, you'll be able to find the developer mode enabled for your Discord account. The developers mode will allow you to incorporate different developer tools on the application and access tools that will allow you to incorporate bots and applications on your servers. And that's how you can simply enable developer tools on Discord.